question number 4, which is a word problem of 2.1 exercise. So I am reading the question. A rectangular sheet of paper is 12 1/2 centimeter long. So what is the meaning of long? Length, right? So 12 whole 1/2 centimeter. So length is given. Now I am coming to the next statement, and 10 2/3 is wide. That means breadth of 10 2/3 centimeter. Okay. Now look at students, look at this breadth spelling. जब मैं बहुत छोटी थी तो मैं breadth की spelling हमेशा confuse होकर like this ये लिख देती थी, और अभी भी कुछ स्टूडेंट्स breath की spelling wrong लिखते हैं, breathe लिखते हैं. This is breathe, this is not breath. तो write the spelling BREADTH. Okay. Don't be confused. Write the right spelling. And now perimeter of a rectangular sheet. Rectangular means rectangle. So what is the perimeter formula? Simple. You have already studied about the formula in 6th class. So perimeter of rectangle is 2 multiply length plus breadth. Right. Now we have length, we have breadth also. So first step is I am converting the mixed fraction into change into improper fraction. How? 2 into 12 is 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. So here is 25/2 centimeter. Now and breadth is given. 3 into 10 is 30. 30 plus 2 is 32. 32/3 centimeter. Now comes in formula 2 into length plus breadth. Now I am putting the value 2 as it is, multiplied as it is, bracket. First length is given 25/2. So put the value of length 25/2 plus breadth is 32/3. 32/3, and here is centimeter, both unit. Okay. Now what we have to take? Solve bracket digit first. Forget multiply 2. 2 and 3. How can you solve 2 and 3? By taking LCM. Now I am going to rub this statement and solve here. Okay. So perimeter is equal to 2 3 LCM is 6. 6 divided by 2 you will get, otherwise cross multiplication because both are different. So 3 into 25 is 75, right? And 2 into 32 is 64. Here 2 multiply, right? Now solve the next statement. What is our next step? Simple. 75 plus 64, you will get what? Like this. 139/6, right? Now 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So 139 divided by 3, because we have to convert it into a mixed fraction. Okay, this is improper fraction. You can convert easily. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, and 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So 3 4s are 12, like this. Here is 1 9. Now again 3 6s are 18. Now remainder is 146. That means our answer of this question is 46/3, and remainder is 1. So answer of this question is this in centimeter. Okay. 46 1/3 centimeter.